Welcome to Money Mentorship, where we help you master your finances and build wealth. If you're ready to discover the top passive income ideas for 2024, smash that like button and subscribe for more money-making tips. Hey everyone, Finance Mentorship here. Today, we're diving into 10 amazing passive income ideas that can help you earn money while you sleep. Whether you're looking to start a side hustle or build an online business, I've got you covered. 1. Dividend investing. Stock market charts, company logos. First up, dividend investing. By purchasing stocks from companies that pay regular dividends, you can earn a steady income without selling your shares. It's like getting paid to own a piece of a company. 2. Real estate crowdfunding. Real estate properties, crowdfunding platforms. Next, real estate crowdfunding. Platforms like Fundrise and Realty Mogul allow you to invest in real estate projects with as little as $500. You earn a portion of the rental income and any potential property appreciation. 3. Create an online course. Online course platforms, course creation process. If you have expertise in a particular field, creating an online course can be a lucrative passive income stream. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable make it easy to share your knowledge and earn money every time someone enrolls. 4. Print on demand. T-shirt designs, print on demand websites. Print on demand is a fantastic way to earn passive income. Design unique products like t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases, and platforms like Teespring and Redbubble handle the printing, shipping, and customer service for you. 5. Affiliate marketing. Popular affiliate programs, examples of affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn commissions by promoting other people's products. Join programs like Amazon Associates, share your affiliate links, and earn a percentage of each sale made through your link. 6. Rental income. Rental properties, Airbnb listings. Owning rental properties is a classic way to generate passive income. Platforms like Airbnb make it easy to rent out a room or property, providing a consistent stream of income. 7. Invest in REITs. REIT logos, stock market interface. Real estate investment trusts, or REITs, allow you to invest in real estate without owning physical properties. REITs trade on major exchanges and pay dividends, offering a hands-off way to earn from real estate. 8. High-yield savings accounts and CDs. Bank logos, interest rates comparison. For a low-risk option, consider high-yield savings accounts and certificates of deposit (CDs). These accounts offer higher interest rates than traditional savings accounts, providing a safe way to grow your money. 9. Write an ebook. Ebook platforms, writing process. If you enjoy writing, publishing an ebook can be a great source of passive income. Once your book is published on platforms like Amazon Kindle, you can earn royalties for years to come. 10. Create a YouTube channel. YouTube interface, video creation process. And finally, creating a YouTube channel. By consistently uploading valuable content and growing your audience, you can earn passive income through ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. There you have it, 10 passive income ideas for 2024. Which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and here's to your financial success. For more tips on mastering your money, check out these videos next.